Alright guys, we have an M2 1959 VW double cab truck. I guess USA model, whatever that means. I don't think they come down, but I guess one of the options would be that this would fold down on the side. Very interesting though. Nice roof rack, and that feels plastic. Good looking vehicle. I don't see anything else that opens. You got the turtle wax symbol on there. Nice colors. 1959 plate. Bumper. Underneath is very interesting. Little treads with those wheels are really, really thin. It's nice colors. Yeah, it's just space. Makes me want to see if it moves or comes off. Very nice. Lots of good detail in this truck. Absolutely. Lots of good detail. M2. Thanks for watching.